I'm all for progress, but the banging in Brentford is constant and it does my nuts in. Regeneration has to take place in many of the towns and cities across the country, and it was, you know, begging to be done. But when is it too much, and when do we start building things that aren't overpriced flats that other people can afford? I mean, I couldn't afford any of these flats. I mean, the rents are silly money, silly money. My mum had a look at the rents in Brentford and was just absolutely stunned. And that's coming from someone that lives in Surrey, so you can imagine. It's just a shame. We need more affordable housing so that general people can have a sniff, just a chance of being able to get on the housing ladder.